This beautiful lady walking around the way to me. Well, then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes.
Facebook ka na naman
I
yun.
don't wanna go tonight. Wonderful, 'cause I see the love light in your eyes, and I wonder of it all. You said you just don't realize how much I love you.
Galing talaga.
Balakbak boys!
Kaya balagbag boys, oh.
It's time to go home now.
Wala, sentro-sentro talaga, ano?
I got an aching head, so give her the car keys, and she helps me to bed.
Naku!
When then I told her, I search out of the light, I say, my darling, you are wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you are wonderful tonight. Woohoo! Balakbak boys! Patayin naman tayo niyan!
Ari pa ako isa nagbibidyo. Pare ang ilag. Ilag. Ito nyo naman, panay bunga ang aking kainuman.
Tara, yo! Sabi mo.
Balagbag boys, oh. Panay ang ilag. 3 chicks.
Tara, yo!